Event registration. I am your AI avatar, ready to showcase the key features and functionalities of myOnvent. In this video tutorial, you will be introduced to the following myOnvent features: customizing event registration and login pages. Your event attendees can register or log in to the event from the homepage by clicking the Join Event tab. The first stage is registration on the platform itself by creating a new user. The second stage is choosing the role and completing the registration fields set by the event organizer. To customize your registration pages, go to Event Info and select the Participant Sign Up tab on the left side menu. Add any information prospective attendees may find useful by adding a brief description of your event or the registration process, as well as an image. After, scroll down to the second step, which is the next stage of their registration process. We have a list of preset fields that are often used, and that you can enable or disable using the toggles. For each field, you can rename it and set it as optional or mandatory. You have the possibility to activate filtering for the country field. This allows participants to filter other users from a specific country under networking. You can also set your own custom fields by pressing the Add button. This allows you to add a regular text input field, a drop-down or radio buttons for single-choice answers, or finally multiple choice using checkboxes. Filtering is available for all questions with a drop-down, radio buttons, or multiple choice. Repeat this process for each user type. Exhibitor sign up and poster study sign up, depending on the user's group you have enabled for your event. And finally, make sure your participants and/or exhibitors' poster study login toggle is enabled under Setup Event Settings to assure they can enter the event after registration. Now let's take a look at customizing your login page. Head to your organizer dashboard, choose the Event Info tab, and then the Login section in the sidebar. This is where you will customize what your attendees who have already registered on the myOnvent platform will see when they log in to join your event. You can add a background image for the page. This is useful to make the page consistent with your branding and style, or upload an image with sponsors' logos. Thank you for your attention. We hope this tutorial has empowered you to create engaging and memorable events. We invite you to check out our further video tutorials or in-depth PDF documentation. For any further questions, please get in touch with us via email at contact@myonvent.com.